Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus, today with a 2014 Volkswagen Polo, stock number 6222. This ran from the 5th 2010 to the 5th 2014. It has a CGBB 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a CGBB 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console. Manual gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,